Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hello and welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. I'm Chef Shipra Khanna, and along with some of your loved chefs, we are bringing you a new recipe for every single school day. So today I'm going to be making avocado rolls for you, which is full of healthy ingredients and your kids will love it. So let's see how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. To make avocado rolls, first of all, I'm going to heat the pan, add a little bit of oil, in goes the garlic and in goes the onion. We'll just saute it a little until it's translucent. At this stage, I'm going to add mushrooms to it. We'll saute the mushrooms as well. That's about it. It's done. I'm going to transfer it into a bowl and leave it for cooling. Now in another bowl, I'm going to combine avocado, which is a superfood and it is full of MUFA, that is good cholesterol. I'm going to add tomato, finely chopped, a little bit of lime juice, a little bit of salt and black pepper. We're going to mix it well. And to this, I'm going to add the cooled mushrooms that we had sauteed. A quick mix. At this stage, I'm going to add Kissan Sweet and Spicy Sauce to it to add that extra zing to my avocado rolls. This will lift up the entire flavors. Okay, so now I'm going to keep it aside. So let's start with the phyllo pastry. And I'm going to brush it with olive oil. Phyllo sheet is easily available in the supermarket, but if you don't find it, you can replace it with rotis. Now I'm going to cover it with another sheet. Just make sure that you cover the ends as well, otherwise it's going to dry up and it doesn't taste really good once it's baked then. Now I'm going to put another sheet. I'm going to put my last sheet on top. Okay, so now I'm going to put this filling. You can change the filling according to your taste. If you like more vegetables, you can add more vegetables. And now carefully, we'll close the sides and wrap this really tightly. This is a slurry, that's a mix of corn flour or flour with water. Here we are. Now in a baking tray, I'm going to put it, grease it with a little bit of olive oil on top, and it goes in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes until the phyllo pastry is golden in color. Wow, look at that. I'm going to transfer this on my chopping board. I'm going to cut it diagonally. Time to put it in the tiffin. Wow. So now I'm going to put some sprouts and add some dry fruit in the tiffin to make it a sumptuous meal. I hope I've sorted your tiffin problem, and if you like this recipe, do subscribe to India Food Network. I'll be back soon with yet another recipe and to show you how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.